What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. This one is very famous. Alright, the title of the song is Go Crazy by Chris Brown and who's that? Young Talent. Alright, so let's start. Alright, let's start from here. So from here, close feet, open your legs. You're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, one more time. Slowly. 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, open. 2. So you're gonna clap at the same time you open your legs. 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and so left and 4, 5 and so elbow 5 and 6 chest 7, 8 lift on 1, 2 copy next then 3 you see that. Don't do sexy and 3 we'll change to the front 4 close on 5 head isolation and see my legs and 6 look to the front on 7 side and 8. Let's try that part. So 1, 2 and 3, 4 close and 6 look 7, 8. Good job. Let's try from beginning. First 8 to second. So 5, 6, 7 cross 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 away 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 look and 8. Good job. Next from here, step your left 1, chest 2. So side, your body facing up and 2 away 3. 3 cuts 5 lift 6 crazy 7 and 8. So your legs 7, 8. Here we go from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8 step 1 and 2 away 3 cut 5 and 6 7 and 8. Good job. First, second, third. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look and end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So next from here 7, 8. This is fast. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. So 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You will close your arm at the same time. 4. Next go 5 and 6. It's like you know the dog. You lick that. Like licking actually, but the idea is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, this is 7, 8. One more time. From here. Right? I know. The 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good job. From the beginning. On my count in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, chest 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go on. Next. 1 and 2. So this is 1 and 2. Then footwork, 3 and a 4. Okay? One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2. Sorry. 1, 2, and 3 and a 4. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. From here, 7, 8. You're gonna point 1, 2, drop 3, and 4. Remember that. So 8, go 1, crazy drop, side 4. Let's finish this. 5, 6, fast, 7, 8, cross, 1, 2, shoulder, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, then exit. Yeah! Let's try one more time that part. Girls, let's try one more time at this part from here. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy? 7, 8.1, crazy, 3, and 4. Back on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and exit. From the beginning, all of it. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Catch. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, lick, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, exit. Good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video. Alright? See you next time. Bye-bye.